Hello, my name is Frans Swanepoel. I'm the founder and CEO of Bitcoinwise. Thank you for believing in our vision and by joining Bitcoinwise community. So I'm very excited to have you on board. By purchasing your value-added starter pack, it will help you to get set up quickly and start enjoying benefits from day one. There's no other payments. Remember, there's no other payments that you have to do to be part of Bitcoinwise. The starter packs actually activate your participation into our community loyalty ecosystem. So to help you to experience it immediately, we are going to deposit a 30 Rand voucher into your brand new Cellbucks wallet. Use it and make a quick purchase to see just how simple and easy to use the Cellbucks system. So now, here's the heart of Bitcoinwise. We're not asking you to change where you shop. Go and keep shopping at the same stores that you love. Just change your habit. When you pay with your Cellbucks wallet. Top up your wallet with your monthly shopping budget and then tap into the ecosystem and let every spending work for you and for the whole community. Together, this creates a powerful ecosystem. Everyone benefits from everyone spending within this community. So please feel free to invite your family, friends, and colleagues. The more we participate, the more value we create. It's safe, transparently, and together. So don't forget, you now have the ability to add local merchants and businesses to the community ecosystem. If you own your own business or you know of a local business, help them to onboard so that they can enjoy the merchant benefits and help to grow our shared community. With the Cellbucks voucher system, listen very carefully. This is an awesome thing. Merchants can actually issue a voucher for their own stores, or they can issue a voucher for every store merchant we have in the whole network. So this is perfect for a gift voucher, for promotions, or any specials that you would like to have to run. So it's like having your own loyalty program at zero cost. So as you begin, you will find a step-by-step in the starter pack how to access your wallet, how to top up, and how to pay at participating stores. If you need help, our support team is right there to support you and the community leaders. So, on behalf of the entire Bitcoinwise team, we want to welcome you as part of our family. Enjoy your 30 Rand welcome voucher. Enjoy the simplicity of Cellbucks and enjoy being part of the community where everybody's spending builds a real shared value. So I'm excited for your journey and and I can't wait to see the good that we all create together. Welcome to Bitcoinwise. And remember, wealth grows where you go.